evening, Usha ma'am. Good evening,
Good
President.
evening. Good evening.
வணக்கம், மாலை வணக்கம்.
Good evening, வணக்கம்.
Good evening, IPTG Muthu sir.
Good evening, Tirumala. Good evening.
Good evening,
Good
IPTG
evening,
Muthu sir. Ananda.
Muthu, good evening.
Good
Usha
evening.
here.
Good evening, Usha. Good evening, DJ Sridhar.
Good evening, Muthu sir.
Sir, நீங்க
Good evening, Muthu. Good evening, good evening.
Good evening, Muthu sir. Venkat Reddy.
Good evening, Reddy.
Good evening, Venkat Reddy.
Good evening, AG. How are you doing?
Good evening, Muthuji.
Good evening, Neil.
Good evening.
Good evening,
Muthu,
Sir.
வணக்கம்.
Good evening.
வணக்கம். முத்துசாமியா, வணக்கம்.
வணக்கம்.
Sriniji, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, Shankar sir.
Good evening, Shankar.
Good evening. Very well.
Good evening, sir.
All
Good
the
evening.
best, new president.
Thank
All the
you.
very best to you.
Thank you, sir.
Very glad to see you as a president.
Good evening, PDG Nasu sir. Good evening.
Good evening, Nazu sir. Good evening. How are you?
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening.
Prakash.
Good evening,
Sivakumar.
Good evening, Shiva. How are you,
Good
Shiva?
evening, sir. Good evening.
Fine.
Very
Good
good.
evening, sir. PTG Nasser, Anand, Chennai. Chalo.
Yes, Anandan. How are you?
First class, sir. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Good evening, PDG Nasser. Usha here.
Yes, editor. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Thank you.
Good evening, Nasser sir.
Good evening, ma. Good evening, Tirumala.
Hello, Tirumalai. Good evening.
Good evening,
Usha
Usha
Kumar.
ma'am. Good evening, Usha ma'am.
Good evening, PDG. Reddy garu.
மூர்த்தி டைம் ஆச்சுன்னா ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிடலாம்.
Good evening, Nasser sir. Prakash.
திருமலை இதுனா ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணோம்.
Yeah.
Not me.
திருமலை.
வணக்கம் நாசர் சார், சுப்பிரமணியன் from Northwest.
Yeah.
வணக்கம் சுப்ரமணியன்.
Rajendran, can you mute all?
MC all on mute. You can unmute yourself and start.
Okay, Mutigar, you can start.
Good evening, my dear Rotarians. Now the installation program starts with lighting the Kuthuvilakku by Anne Rajeshwari Duraivel.
Morning. Morning. Little voice. Hello, I'm audible?
Yes.
Yeah. Collaring the president myself. Murthy garu, you can start. 8th
No.
installation meeting, Rotary Club of Chennai Choda, meeting call to order.
Now, so that Kuthuvilakku இது picture வரலையே. Yeah, it's coming now. Music.
Yes, Murthy garu, mire.
Yeah, okay. Now, invocation song by our promising young singer, Annette Joshika, daughter of Rotarian Lokesh.
Good evening to all. Venkataramanane varo, Seshachalavaasane varo. Venkataramanane varo, Seshachalavaasane varo. Pankajanaga parama pavitra Shankaramitrane varo. Pankajanaga parama pavitra Shankaramitrane varo. Venkataramanane varo, Seshachalavaasane varo. ಮುದ್ದು ಮುಖದ ಮಗುವೇ ನಿನಗೆ ಮುದ್ದು ಕೊಡುವೆನೋ ಬಾರೋ. ಮುದ್ದು ಮುಖದ ಮಗುವೇ ನಿನಗೆ ಮುದ್ದು ಕೊಡುವೆನೋ ಬಾರೋ. ನಿರ್ದಯವೇ ಗಾಳಿನೊಳಗೆ ನಾನು ಕೊಂದಿತ್ತೇನೋ ಬಾರೋ. ನಿರ್ದಯವೇ ಗಾಳಿನೊಳಗೆ ನಾನು ಕೊಂದಿತ್ತೇನೋ ಬಾರೋ. ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣನೆ ಬಾರೋ, ಶೇಷಾಚಲವಾಸನೆ ಬಾರೋ. ಮಂದದ ಗಿರಿಯ ನೆತ್ತಿದಾನಂದ ಮೂರ್ತಿಯೇ ಬಾರೋ. ಮಂದದ ಗಿರಿಯ ನೆತ್ತಿದಾನಂದ ಮೂರ್ತಿಯೇ ಬಾರೋ. ನಂದನ ಕಂದ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಮುಕುಂದ ಇಂದಿರಾ ರಸನೆ ಬಾರೋ. ನಂದನ ಕಂದ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಮುಕುಂದ ಇಂದಿರಾ ರಸನೆ ಬಾರೋ. ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣನೆ ಬಾರೋ, ಶೇಷಾಚಲವಾಸನೆ ಬಾರೋ. ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣನೆ ಬಾರೋ, ಶೇಷಾಚಲವಾಸನೆ ಬಾರೋ. ಪಂಕಜನಾಭ ಪರಮ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಶಂಕರ ಮಿತ್ರನೆ ಬಾರೋ. ಪಂಕಜನಾಭ ಪರಮ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಶಂಕರ ಮಿತ್ರನೆ ಬಾರೋ. ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣನೆ ಬಾರೋ, ಶೇಷಾಚಲವಾಸನೆ ಬಾರೋ. ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣನೆ ಬಾರೋ, ಶೇಷಾಚಲವಾಸನೆ ಬಾರೋ. ಶೇಷಾಚಲವಾಸನೆ ಬಾರೋ. Thank you.
Thank you, Joshika. Best wishes to you. Next, welcome address by our President, Rotarian Thirumalai.
I'm audible.
Yes.
Happy evening and Malay Vanakkam to all. Chief guest of the evening, District Governor Rotarian Sridhar, First Lady Mrs. Punita Sridhar, District Secretary Rotarian Ravi Shankar, AG Rotarian Neelakandan, PDG ISAK Nazar, PDG Srinivasan, who is a role model for me in the Rotary, the Orange Man, the IPDG Rotarian Muthu Paniyappan, DGE Nandakumar, Membership Chairman Saravanan, Changemaker Presidents, Secretaries, Trend-setting Secretaries, District Officials, a warm welcome to all. I also welcome my loving T20 co-presidents who were just a co-presidents at the beginning of our presidential year, then became our lovely T20 family members at the end of the year with lifelong bonding. I blissfully welcome and invite our new President Rotarian Duraivel and his team to take charge and do wonders by taking our club to the next level. I promise my fullest cooperation to him. I also welcome friends in Rotary and friends of Rotary and visiting Rotarians. I blissfully welcome all my energetic Cholans, ants, Anets, and Rotractors. Everything that begins should come to an end, and also my presentship. I cannot fully express my gratitude to you all for being with me this entire year, and also for making my presidentship journey one of the memorable one in my life. I simply and humbly bow my head to each and every one with gratitude. During my presidential year, we have entered into 2 signature projects. One, the CLEF, we have signed with Savita Medical College. The other one is Street Wonders with the Agal Foundation. I thank Rotarian Paneerselvam and Sainathan for coordinating these projects. I expressed my thankfulness from my bottom of my heart to our Charter President Rotarian Balakrishna Reddy and past President Anandan and all the senior members, board members who has given me a free hand and motivated to me to do a lot of projects. I also thank my IPP Venkata Reddy for full cooperation during my year. I should thank extend my sincere gratitude to Secretary Rotarian Shankar and Joint Secretary Rotarian Suresh Babu for the greatest cooperation that extended to me in the entire tenure. Without them, I would have not completed anything properly. I thank my lovely club members and their families. Who can I say about them? Whatever I say, it becomes very, very less for the energy and cooperation they gave me in this pandemic year. Last but not the least, I would like to extend my affectionate thanks to my spouse, Mrs. Damni, and my sons, Pragat and Monish, holding my hands and traveling with me through my presidential year. Nothing would have happened possible without their support and sacrifice. All our projects and service done during this year will be seen in the Secretary report presentation. Thank you very much. Once again, I welcome you all.
Thank you, Rotarian Tirumalai, for your nice welcome speech. Now,
Thank you.
Now, Secretary's report by Rotarian K. Shankar, Secretary.
Good evening, all. So again, I welcome our DG, sir, and First Lady, and IPDG, and all officials. I immense pleasure to submit the Secretary report. Yeah, our club 2020-21 installation ceremony was held on 13th July 2020 on Zoom. Rotarian Tirumalai was installed as 7th president of our club in the presence of District Governor Rotarian Muthupal Nepan, First Lady Mrs. Kamala, along with Rotary District official club members, aunts and aunts. Next. Club Service Director Rotarian H. Babu has conducted 2 family meetings, 10 speaker meetings, 8 joint speaker meetings, 1 international meeting, and 9 board meetings in Zoom, 3 family meetings, 9 speaker meetings, 3 board meetings, 1 annual general meetings in physical. Next. We have conducted 19 speaker meetings in various topics. That is construction of materials and real estate by our architect Vivek Kumar. Next. Back, neck and spine management by Rotarian DG Balamurli. Next. 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 Next, sir. Next. Then Heritage Inspired Chola Kingdom by Rotarian M. Anand. Next. And Dr. S. Jayaraman, our Rotarian, the topic is how to keep our lungs healthy. So we have a condolence meeting for our members device, late Mr. M.R. Murugappan and Rotarian Karnagaran. Next, sir. Due to COVID. Next. our next, sir. So our club has conducted 8 joint speaker meetings. All are in Zoom with Region 1, RC, Ananagar, Madras, etc. Some of the joint speaker meeting photos. Next. 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 Yeah, our family has conducted 5 family meetings in Zoom in 2 and physical family meeting 3. Next. So this first meeting, charter night celebrated. Sir, back, sir, please. Our club charter night celebrated on August 5th, 2020 in Zoom, and our charter president, Rotarian BK Reddy, inaugurated these functions with the presence of AG Rotarian Rahul Badija. Next. We had on 26th January physical family meeting in Shelter Resort CCR. Around 60 family members have participated. Games, sports were conducted and prizes distributed with good lunch. Next. On 16th February, we had a vocational service award function in Beverly Hotel and majority of our family members have participated. Next. On 5th March, we had a governor's official visit and 42 members with their family members have participated. Our governor and first lady have impressed to see our Anne and Annettes participate in the meeting. Next. It's a governor official visit photo. Yeah. Next, sir. So our club has conducted 9 Zoom and 3 physical board meetings, and physical is in next. So some of the board meetings photos. Next. 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 These are all 2 physical meeting, board meeting we had in Ardas Club and Cosmopolitan Club. The annual general meeting at Hotel Jack, it's a physical meeting we had. Next. So board meeting photos. Next. Yeah, Community Service Development Director Rotarian Raghavan has conducted totally 42 projects with the amount spent 4,80,000 by spending 318 Rotarian hours. So some of these things, our service development. Every month, our club have donated to Arnodayam Charitable Trust, Tamil Nadu Social Welfare Association, Narkorana Illam Green Trust, Agal Foundation, Abdul Kalam Charitable Trust, Kutastha Charitable Trust, and Mr. Vijay Anand and Gopinath and Mr. BK Reddy are the major donors for the above. So some of the photos are follows now. Next. 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 Next, sir. Next. 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 And this on 12/11, our club distributed Diwali gifts worth 10,000 rupees to 50 government special children school at Cholai, sponsored by Rotarian Sundar. Next. So our SP, past President SP Ramesh is sponsoring 6,000 every month to the cancer patients for one-day meal. Next. Next, sir. So our next. Sir, please back. So our club have donated 35,000 towards distribution for the mobile cart for differently abled with ironing kit. Next, sir. Next. So, community service, health. So, rupees Community Service Health Director, Rotarian ME Narsimhamurthy has conducted 16 projects with amount spent 7,10,000 by spending 230 Rotarian hours. Our club is very proud with our Dr. Rotarian V. Ramesh, who have conducted nearly 300 cataract surgeries for poor people and issued the spectacles at free of cost. Next. This is some of the cataract operation photos of patients. Next. This rupees 30,000 donated to Selvan Sanjay for his kidney treatment. Next. And rupees 50,000 donated to the cancer patient Ms. K. Suganya by our current president 21-22, Mr. Duraiver on 28 February. Next. So 11th June, our nearly 25,000 worth diapers have donated to King's Institute Dean Mr. Narayan Swamy. And on the same day, surprisingly, it was Dean's birthday and our President Thirumalai arranged a cake and celebrated his birthday. So wonderful occasion. Next. So membership chairman is Rotarian G.R. Venkatesh. So members as on 1st July 2020 is 51. New members added during 2020-21 is 5. Members resigned 2. Members demised, that is due to COVID, 2. So total number of members 52. Membership, we inducted 5 new jewels to our crown during the Rotary year 2021. Rotarian Dakshayani, Rotarian V. Ramesh, Rotarian Sainathan, Rotarian L. Sivakumar, and Rotarian Chandrasekhar. Next. Vocational Service Director, Rotary Vijay Lasar has conducted a project of Kumaran Special Children. Next, sir. Kumaran Special Children School at Ennur by sponsoring doormat making machine worth of 15,000. Next. On 16th February, our club have given Vocational Excellence Award to Dr. S. Rajasundaram, who is currently serving as the Director and Head of the Surgical Oncology on Glingen's Global Institute of Oncology. Next. Also, we are given service above self award for late Dr. Simon Hercules, founder and chairman of New Hope Medical Center, a specialty center for brain and spine, who has done more than 3,000 brain surgeries to contain and treat the pandemic corona afflicted. Dr. Simon led from the front and risked his life. Next. Also, our club have given Young Achiever Award to Master Pranav Anadurai, who has created a Michi for himself in the world practicing traditional yoga and traveled across the Indian subcontinental and all over Southeast Asia. He holds the Guinness and Patanjali Book of World Records 2 times each. Our club is Chennai Chola is proud to honor and giving them award. Next. Youth Service Director Rotary T. Rajesh has done 3 projects by spending 39,575 and 50 Rotarian hours. Next, he has executed the installation of Rotary Club of Chagas on 19th July 2020. And next, we have celebrated. Next, we have celebrated Maralai Saravedi for Deepavali and Pongal Vira with the coordination of Chagas. Next. And next, sir. This is also Pongal Vira, part of the and sports activity of Treasurer Rotarian Hari Kumar, the quarter finalist in badminton tournament. Next. And also in youth service, our club sponsors 33,375 rupees, who is doing athletic practice in international level and won many state and international games. Our club has assured to give sponsor for 1 year from 11/6/21. Next. International Service Director Rotarian Gobinath. Next. Our club Green Rotarian Dr. V. Ramesh visited Zambia and exchanged the Rotary Club RC Lusaka, Zambia and Roski Lusaka Midtown on 2nd October of 2020. Next. We are proud to join hands with Rotary Club of Arkakanchi, Nepal District 3-90, and we had a sister club agreement on 8th December 2020. Flags also exchanged by both clubs and fellowship. Public Image Chairman Rotarian SP Ramesh has conducted 2 projects by spending rupees 62,000 and 55 Rotarian hours. Next. On 11/11/2020, our club distributed sweets and clothes to poor people for Deepavali. District 323 Council, the chief guest for the program. This project is sponsored rupees 50,000 by our club member SP Ramesh. On Gogri project on 29th December, our club participated in district organized Muktavanam Gogri project area. Sponsored rupees 10,000 for 1,000 saplings. Chief guest Kanjivaram Collector Magasudi. District Governor Mr. Muthu Palniappan, District Secretary Rotarian Ramesh, Go Green Chairman Rotarian Sivambala, and our club members participated in the project. Next. Next. So Polio Plus Director Rotarian Arrigo Ball has conducted a polio campaign by spending rupees 10,000 and 18 Rotarians hours. Our club organized polio immunization campaign in 18 centers at Madurai on 31st January 2021, and rupees 10,000 spent by Dr. Rotarian Arrigo Ball. Total beneficiaries are 3,000. Next. On 18th October 2020, our club president Thirumalai joined World Polio Awareness Campaign bike ride from Chennai to Kalpakkam along with officials, Rotarians. Literacy Chairman Rotarian Sundar has carried out 12 projects by spending 2,30,766 rupees and 141 Rotarian hours. Some of the sponsored rupees 31,000 to student A. Yogesh. Next. Next, sir. And next. And 30,000 organized to sponsor Selvi Velangani, student of CSI Kalyani College Nursing by Venkat Reddy. And next. Rupees 20,000 to Ms. Supriya, daughter of an auto driver, +1 student of Green Valley School, sponsored by Rotarian Batmavati, wife of Rotarian Anandan. Next. Next, sir. This is one of our special projects, Seeds Service to Educate, Enrich and Empower Dream Society. Our club is proud to be associated as an official partner with Seeds, presently supporting about 120 students to pursue their higher education. Our Rotarian Soinathan has arranged neat books and study materials worth of rupees 50,000 as a book bank projects. Next. Next, sir. So, on a signature projects coordinator, Rotarian Soinathan and Panirselvam have conducted 5 projects by spending rupees 83,560 Rotarian hours. Our next. This is also one of our signature projects. It's a cleft care. This is our club is very proud to say that we have signed with MOU for 3 years with Savitha Medical College, Sri Perumbudur. Our club has taken cleft surgery awareness campaign by conducting camps in various districts of state and contributed rupees 83,500 and nearly 100 children got benefited. Next. This is also part of the cleft care project. Next. So these are all the children who have got benefited. Next. Next. Next, sir. This is another signature project called Manitha Nesam. Our club have joined with Mr. Venkatesan of Manitha Nesam for rescuing, rehabilitating street wanderers and reunion them with their respective families. We provide transportation charges and provide new clothes to the patients. Next. This is also photos of some street wanderers rescue. It's a COVID relief special projects. Our club have donated rupees 50,000 to Rotarian S. Mahavir Putra, chairman of COVID relief program, and distributed 100 Rotary provision kit to the needy people. And 50 oxygen regulator kit to Vyasai Thoragal, Peridar Makkal Udavi Mayam, worth around 8,000, sponsored by our Rotarian Arikumar. So food sponsored for 400 street workers and the traffic police in the lockdown period by Rotarian Suresh Babu and Thirumalai. Next. As part of the District Orange project, our club have donated 250,000 to the district governor, sponsored by our members Gopinath, Suresh Babu, Arigopal and Thirumalai. Next. So number of project is 75. Total volunteer hours 775 Rotarians hours. Total contributions 17,60,343. Total value of donated service 3,87,500. And TRF contribution 100%. We are proud to say we are the 100% TRF contributed club. and total tier of contribution in $9,383.71 US. And for polio contribution, we have donated $210 US. And this credit goes to our tier of chairman PHF Dayalan, is the only one man who has taken for this achievement.
Yeah, thank you, Rotarian Shankar, for your detailed report.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah, next a small audiovisual clip by Rotaract President Purna.
MC, is there any Rotaractors to give explanation about the PPT? MC?
Yes, sir. Rajendran?
Yeah, is there any Rotaractors to give a voiceover behind this, or just a more?
I'll check up with the host, sir. Rajendran?
Yeah, I am only asking. Rajendran only on the line now.
Sainathan, you just check up with Sainathan. That audiovisual sent by Sainathan, no?
Hello.
Rajendran sir.
Rajendran sir, Purna oda idu unmute பண்ணுங்க.
Yes sir, yes sir. Happy evening all. This is Retracted Immediate Past President Purna Chandrika from Rotaract Club of Sahas, RID 3232. The slides are not available.
1 minute, I'll start from the beginning now.
Sure sir, sure.
Okay, please, you can carry on.
Sir, actually it's not possible. Yes sir, yes, now I am able to see. So it's been a great pleasure and thanks for the opportunity everyone. And actually I'm in traveling, so kindly bear with the background noises. So this is a content where it will have all the information about our club and also the awards and recognition, everything. Next slide please. Next slide. Yes. So this is the core team: President Purna, Secretary Kirtika, Immediate Part President Rochata Kishore, Vice President Vicky, Joint Secretary Srimati Priya, Sergeant at Arms Kumar, Associate Sergeant at Arms Aishwarya, Treasurer Hariraj, PRO Ashik, Editorial Board Billy, Content Writer Sai, Women Empowerment Divya, Avenue Mentor Gopi, Debate Club Coordinator Priyadarshini, Rota News Coordinator Piyush. Next slide. Rotary Rotaract Relational Officer Venki Sri, Club Historian Jatan, Fitness Coach Arindam, Associate Professional Service Director Bhuvi, Social Media Handling Babu, Associate Community Service Director Mohan, Club Mentor Raghunath, Club Associate Club Service Director Dr. Karthik. Next slide. So Professional Service Director Nazim Ahmad and Community Service Director Amit Avashini. International Service Director Rotaract Pavani, Club Service Director Tamim Ansari. So we start with the professional service. So the rise, கொஞ்சம் நான் தமிழ்லயும் பேசிக்கிறேன் so that it will add up some emotions too. So எங்களோட installation ceremony for 2021, a new set of team we have done so with the 25 club members in a virtual meet, and it took 2 hours with 75 members. Next slide. So Uir Kapan, on behalf of National Doctors Day, we created 24 posters to indicate that 24 hours நமக்காக டாக்டர்ஸ் வந்து எவ்வளவோ உழைக்கிறாங்க, அவங்களோட உயிரை பணையம் வச்சு. ஸோ அவங்களுக்கு ட்ரிபியூட் கொடுக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிற விதமா நாங்கள் 24 போஸ்டர்ஸ் வந்து ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணி சோஷியல் மீடியாஸ்ல வந்து அவங்களுக்கு வந்து டெடிகேட் பண்ணோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லைட் ப்ளீஸ். ஜீல். ஸோ இந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட் பத்தி பார்க்கணும் அப்படின்னா சிவபிரகாஷ் அப்படின்னு சொல்ற ஒரு டாக்டர், சைக்காலஜிக்கல் டாக்டர். ஸோ அவர் கூட நாங்கள் வந்து ஒரு செஷன் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணோம். லைக் நம்மளுக்கு வந்து மூட் ஸ்விங்ஸ் இருந்தா அண்ட் டிப்ரெஷன் இருந்தால் நம்ம எப்படி ஹேண்டில் பண்ணணும். அண்ட் ஸோ அந்த செஷன் ரொம்பவே வந்து எஃபெக்டிவா இருந்துச்சு. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லைட் ப்ளீஸ். சாக்கோபீடியா. ஸோ சாக்லேட்ஸ் அப்படின்னாலே நம்ம எல்லாருக்குமே ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். ஸோ அப்படிப்பட்ட சாக்லேட்ஸ்ல என்னென்ன கண்டென்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு அண்ட் அதை நம்ம எந்த அளவுக்கு சாப்பிட்டா நமக்கு நல்லது. ஸோ பிகாஸ் சாக்லேட்ஸ் நம்ம ரொம்ப வந்து ஒரு கோவமா இருக்கும், ரொம்ப டிப்ரெஷன்ல இருக்கணும், சாக்லேட் சாப்பிட்டா அது நம்மளோட மைண்ட் செட்டே சேஞ்ச் பண்ணக்கூடிய சக்தி இருக்கு. ஸோ அதை பத்தி நாங்கள் போஸ்டர்ஸ் கிரியேட் பண்ணி அண்ட் அவேர்னஸ் கிரியேட் பண்ணோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லைட். விழித்துக்கொள் மனிதா. ஸோ பல நோய்கள் பத்தி நமக்கு வந்து ஓரளவுக்கு அவேர்னஸ் இருக்கும். பட் ஹெப்படைட்டிஸ் அப்படின்ற நோய் பத்தி நமக்கு சுத்தமா ஐடியாவே இருக்காது. ஸோ அந்த நோய்னா என்ன, அதனால நமக்கு என்னென்ன விளைவுகள் வரும் அப்படிங்கிறத பத்தி நாங்கள் வீடியோஸ் நாங்கள் எங்கள் கிளப் மெம்பர்ஸ் எல்லாமே கிரியேட் பண்ணி அதை வந்து சோஷியல் மீடியாஸ்ல வந்து ஷேர் பண்ணோம். ஸோ அதனால நிறைய பேர் வந்து ஃபீட்பேக் ஷேர் பண்ணாங்க. லைக் வி ஹேவ் லேர்ன்ட் அ லாட் அப்படின்னு. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லைட். முழங்கு. ஸோ ஒரு கிளப்க்கு வந்து ஓரியன்டேஷன் அப்படிங்கிறது ரொம்பவே முக்கியம். பிகாஸ் ரோட்ராக்ட் அப்படின்னா என்ன அப்படிங்கிறது தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்காக. ஸோ வி இன்வைட்டட் கிரீஷ் அண்ணா அண்ட் சுபத்ரா அக்கா டு லேர்ன் அபவுட் ரோட்ராக்ட். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லைட். தாறுமாறு பேசுவார். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் லைக் ஐடென்டிட்டி அப்படின்னே சொல்லலாம். ஸோ டிபேட்ஸ் நாங்கள் வந்து கண்டக்ட் பண்ணோம் லைக் இன் தமிழ் அண்ட் வித் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் டாபிக்ஸ் வேர் வி இன்வால்வ் ரொட்டேரியன்ஸ், ரொட்ராக்டர்ஸ் and club officials and also district officials to make a fun and also a lot of learning we got. Next slide. சாஹாஸ் ரேடியோ ஸ்டேஷன். எஸ், சாஹாஸ் அப்படின்னாலே எங்களோட ஐடென்டிட்டி. லைக் எங்கள் டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட்லேயுமே வந்து சாஹாஸ் ரேடியோ ஸ்டேஷன் ரொம்பவே முக்கியமான ப்ராஜெக்ட் அப்படின்னே கருதப்படுது. ஸோ லைக் வி கம்ப்ளீட்டட் 150 days and like we gave opportunities to lot of retractors to establish their passion towards becoming RJ. Next slide. குட்டி ஸ்டோரி. ஸோ கால வேளையில நம்மளோட நாட்கள் வந்து ரொம்ப அழகாக தொடங்கணும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக மோட்டிவேஷனல் ஸ்டோரிஸ் நாங்களே எங்களோட கிளப் மெம்பர்ஸ் ஆடியோ ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணி அதை வந்து நாங்கள் சோஷியல் மீடியாஸ்ல வந்து ஷேர் பண்ணோம். ஸோ இட் வாஸ் அ குட் ஒன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி எங்களுக்கு வந்து ஃபீட்பேக்கும் கிடைச்சது. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லைட். சாஹாசுடன் சந்திப்பு. லைக் இந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட் என்ன அப்படின்னா இட்ஸ் அ பார்ட் ஆஃப் சாஹாஸ் ரேடியோ ஸ்டேஷன் அப்படின்னே சொல்லலாம். ரொட்டேரியன்ஸ், PDRRs, அதுக்கப்புறம் சோஷியல் ஆக்டிவிஸ்ட், ஸோ அவங்கள வந்து இன்டர்வியூ எடுத்து ஸோ அவங்க கூட அவங்க வாழ்க்கையில இருந்த அனுபவங்கள் என்ன அப்படின்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு ஒரு அழகான ப்ராஜெக்டாக எங்களுக்கு அமைஞ்சது. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லைட். 100-day celebration of RJ workshop. ஸோ சாஹாஸ் ரேடியோ ஸ்டேஷன் அப்படிங்கிறது மற்றவங்களுக்கு வாய்ப்பு கொடுக்கறதோட நின்றுடக்கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஸோ 7 ப்ரொஃபஷனல் RJs அவங்கள வந்து விர்ச்சுவல் காலில் கூட்டிட்டு வந்து ஸோ RJ அப்படின்னா நமக்கு என்னென்ன வந்து நமக்குள்ள வந்து டேலண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கணும், நம்ம என்னென்னலாம் நம்மளை வளர்த்துக்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஒர்க் ஷாப்ஸ் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணோம். அண்ட் இட் வாஸ் இனாகிரேஷன் ஆஃப் ஆடியோ ஒர்க் ஷாப் அண்ட் 100-day celebration. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லைட். திருஷ்டா இங்கிலீஷ். ஸோ பப்ளிக் ஸ்பீக்கிங் அப்படிங்கிறது எவ்வளோ ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் அப்படின்னா லைக் நம்ம பேசுறோம் அப்படின்னா அது வந்து மற்றவங்களுக்கு கேட்கறதுக்கு ரொம்ப இனிமையா இருக்கும். ஸோ இங்கிலீஷ்ல நம்ம எப்படி பேசினா நல்லா இருக்கும், பப்ளிக் பீப்புளுக்கு எப்படி ரீச் ஆகும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ரொட்டேரியன் செஷன் அண்ட் ரெட்ராக்டர்ஸ் அப்படின்னு ஐஃபோன் வந்து எங்களுக்கு செஷன்ஸ் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணாங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லைட். ஸோ திருஷ்டா தமிழ். ஸோ எஸ், இதுவும் பப்ளிக் ஸ்பீக்கிங்னா அண்ட் தமிழ்ல எவ்வளோ வந்து அழகாக நம்மளோட வார்த்தைகளை வந்து மக்களுக்கு வந்து கொண்டு சேர்க்க முடியும், அதை எப்படி அழகாக டெலிவர் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ரெட்ராக்டர் பாஸ்கல், ரெட்ராக்டர் தமிழ் காதலன் விக்னேஷனா அண்ட் தென் ரொட்டேரியன் பாலாஜி சார் எங்களுக்கு வந்து செஷன்ஸ் எடுத்தாங்க. ரொம்ப எஃபெக்டிவா இருந்துச்சு. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லைட். இன்று ஸோ ஒவ்வொரு நாளைக்கும் கண்டிப்பாக ஏதாவது ஒரு ஸ்பெஷாலிட்டி இருக்கும். ஸோ நம்மளோட ஹிஸ்ட்ரியில் என்னென்ன ஒரு நாட்கள் என்னென்ன அப்படிங்கிறத மற்றவங்க தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக வீடியோ பைட் போஸ்டர்ஸ் கண்டென்ட் வந்து நாங்கள் அவேர்னஸ் கிரியேட் பண்ணுறதுக்காக டெய்லி சர்க்குலேட் பண்ணோம். இதான் இந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லைட். தடை அதை விடை. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் RJ ஒர்க் ஷாப் விச் ஐ மென்ஷன். ஸோ இனாகிரேஷன் வந்து 100-day celebration அன்னைக்கு இது பண்ணோம். அண்ட் 7 weeks 7 ப்ரொஃபஷனல் RJs கூப்பிட்டு நாங்கள் செஷன்ஸ் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணோம். அண்ட் 100 beneficiaries from this. Next slide. Next slide. Next slide please. ஒவ்வொரு கிராமம் கற்றுக்கும் போது கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமா இருக்கும். ஸோ அது வந்து ரொம்ப வந்து ஃபன்னியா அந்த கற்றுக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக மீம்ஸா கிரியேட் பண்ணி நாங்கள் வந்து சோஷியல் மீடியாஸ்ல ஷேர் பண்ணோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லைட். இருவரி கவிதை. ஸோ திருக்குறள் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு திருக்குறளுக்கு பின்னாடி ஒரு கதைகள் வச்சு இந்த திருக்குறள் வந்து நம்ம படிக்கிறதுனாலையும் அண்ட் இதுக்கு பின்னாடி இந்த கதைகள் இருக்கு அப்படின்னு நம்ம வாழ்க்கைக்கு எடுத்துக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காகவும் ஆடியோஸ் கிரியேட் பண்ணி சோஷியல் மீடியாஸ்ல ஷேர் பண்ணோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் லைக் கம்யூனிட்டி சர்வீஸ். ஸோ கிராட்டிடியூட். ஸோ டாக்டர்ஸ் அவங்க வந்து நமக்கு எவ்வளோ வந்து நிறையா நம்மளுக்காக உழைக்கிறாங்க. ஸோ அவங்களுக்கு கிராட்டிடியூட் கொடுக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிற விதமாக நாங்கள் எல்லாருமே வந்து விஷ் பண்ணி வீடியோஸ் வந்து ஷேர் பண்ணோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் லைக் அன்னம் பகிர்ந்தது. ஸோ உணவு அப்படிங்கிறது எவ்வளோ முக்கியம் அப்படின்னா ரோட்டோரங்களில் வாழ்ற மக்கள் கிட்ட நீங்க கேட்டீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். ஸோ லைக் பேண்டமிக் முடிஞ்ச கையோட ஸோ நம்ம ஏதாவது பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு எங்களோட கிளப் மெம்பர்ஸ் ரொம்பவே சேஃப்டி ப்ரிகாஷன்ஸோட ஃபுட் பேக்கெட்ஸ் வாங்கிட்டு போயிட்டு 50 ஃபுட் பேக்கெட்ஸ் வாங்கிட்டு போயிட்டு நாங்கள் பார்க்குற இடம் லைக் நாங்கள் இருந்த அந்த சுத்தின இடம் எப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பல்லாவரம், ராயப்பேட்டா. ஸோ யாருக்கு நீட் இருக்கோ அவங்களுக்கு மட்டும் ஃபுட் பேக்கெட்ஸ் கொடுத்தோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் லைக் மழலை சரவெடி. ஸோ தீபாவளி அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து எவ்வளோ வந்து நமக்கு வந்து மேபி இந்த சம்மர் செலிப்ரேஷன் அப்படின்லாம், பட் ஒரு ஆர்கனைஸ்ல இருக்க குழந்தைங்களுக்கோ அவங்களுக்கு தான் வந்து அந்த ரொம்ப பெரிய செலிப்ரேஷன். அது வந்து அந்த தீபாவளி வராது அப்படின்னு காத்துட்டு இருப்பாங்க. ஸோ அவங்களுக்காகவே இந்த செலிப்ரேஷன் நாங்கள் கொண்டாடணும். ஸோ லைக் வித் பீப்புள் வித் சில்ட்ரன் இன் அம்பேத்கர் குழந்தைகள் இல்லம் we celebrated the மழலை சரவெடி project and we would like to thank Rotarian Thirumalai sir and Rotarian Shankar sir for visiting and supporting our project. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லைட் ப்ளீஸ். சின்னஞ்சிறுக்கிலேயே ஸோ சில்ட்ரன்ஸ் டே செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக தான் லைக் இதுவும் தீபாவளி செலிப்ரேஷன் அன்னைக்கே தான் நாங்கள் இந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணோம். ஸோ அன்னைக்கு ஸ்டேஷனரி ஐட்டம்ஸ் அண்ட் தென் சாக்லேட்ஸ் எல்லாமே வந்து குழந்தைங்களுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணி அண்ட் ஒரு குட்டி குட்டி ஸ்கிட் மாதிரி, அதாவது சைல்ட் லேபர், அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து ஒரு குழந்தைய வந்து அப்யூஸ் பண்றாங்க, அதெல்லாம் எப்படி தடுக்கணும், ஸோ எப்படி வந்து நம்ம இந்த உலகத்தை ஃபேஸ் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு குழந்தைங்களுக்கு நாங்கள் ரொம்ப ஈஸியாகவே சொல்லிக் கொடுத்தோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லைட். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லைட் ப்ளீஸ். பொங்கல் கொண்டாட்டம். ஸோ நாங்கள் வந்து ஒரு ஸ்லம் ஏரியா குழந்தைங்க அண்ட் தென் பெரியவங்களோட பொங்கல் வச்சு பொங்கலுக்கு முன்னாடி அது ஒரு கொண்டாடி அண்ட் காம்படிஷன்ஸ்லாம் வந்து கண்டக்ட் பண்ணி அவங்க கூட டைம் ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லைட் ப்ளீஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லைட் ப்ளீஸ். ஸோ கண்ணம்மா 2.0. ஸோ இந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட் வந்து எப்படி அப்படின்னா ரொம்பவே வந்து மனதை தொடக்கூடிய ப்ராஜெக்ட் அப்படின்னே சொல்லலாம். ஒரு ரீஹாபிலிட்டேஷன் சென்டர் பெரம்பூர்ல இருக்கு. ஸோ அங்க இருக்கிற ஒரு 40 லேடிஸ் அவங்கெல்லாம் வந்து ட்ரக் அடிக்ட் அண்ட் அதுக்கப்புறமா அவங்க குடும்பத்தால கைவிடப்பட்டவங்க. ஸோ அவங்க கூட போயிட்டு அவங்களுக்கு நாங்களே எங்க கையால சப்பாத்தி ரைஸ் எல்லாமே செஞ்சு ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணி அவங்களுக்கு கொடுத்து அவங்கள சாப்பிட வச்சு நாங்களும் சாப்பிட்டு அவங்க கூட பக்கத்துல உட்காந்து அவங்க பேசுறத நாங்க கேட்டு அண்ட் தென் அவங்களுக்கு நெயில் பாலிஷ்லாம் போட்டு. ஸோ இட் வாஸ் ரியலி வண்டர்ஃபுல் டைம் ஸ்பெண்ட். பிகாஸ் நம்ம வந்து நம்ம கையால எவ்வளவு தானங்கள் வேணா பண்ணலாம், என்னென்ன திங்ஸ் வேணா கொடுக்கலாம், காசு வேணா கொடுக்கலாம். ஆனா ஒருத்தவங்க சொல்றதை கேட்கக்கூடிய ஒரு நம்ம கிட்ட அந்த ஒரு மனோபக்குவம் இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா அதுதான் இருக்கிறதுல ஒரு பெரிய தானம் அப்படின்னே சொல்லலாம். ஸோ அதை தான் நாங்கள் செஞ்சோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லைட் ப்ளீஸ். தேன் வந்து பாயுது காதி நிலை. ஸோ இந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட் பத்தி எப்படி சொல்லணும் அப்படின்னா லைக் திஸ் ப்ராஜெக்ட் லைக் வித்தவுட் யுவர் சப்போர்ட் லைக் பேரண்ட் ரோட்டரி சப்போர்ட் வி கேன் நாட் டூ திஸ். பிகாஸ் நாங்கள் என்ன வந்து பிளான் பண்ணோம்னா ஒரு விஷுவலி சேலஞ்ச் ஹோம் அங்கே வந்து இருக்கிற ஒரு 20 லேடிஸ்க்கு வந்து அவங்க கேட்குற மொபைல் ட்ராக்கர் அதை வச்சு தான் அவங்க வந்து தன்னோட எஜுகேஷனலுக்கு ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ அந்த மொபைல் ட்ராக்கர் வாங்கி கொடுத்தோம் அண்ட் இட் வாஸ் ஃபுல்லி சப்போர்ட்டட் பை ரோட்டரி கிளப் ஆஃப் சென்னை சோலர்ஸ் அண்ட் ரியலி ஐ எம் கிரேட்ஃபுல் டு தட். அண்ட் ஆல்சோ நாங்கள் உங்களுக்கு ஃபுட் ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணிட்டு அவங்க கூட உட்காந்து அவங்க வந்து எவ்வளோ படிச்சிருக்காங்க அண்ட் எவ்வளோ படிக்கணும்னு ஆசைப்படுறாங்க அவங்க கனவுகளை பற்றி எல்லாமே தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லைட் ப்ளீஸ். ஸோ இந்த பிக்சர்ஸ்ல நீங்க பார்க்கலாம் அவங்க எவ்வளோ ஹாப்பியா வந்து ஃபீல் பண்ணாங்க அப்படின்னு.
கொஞ்சம் கட் பண்ணுங்களேன்.
ஷூர் சார், ஷூர் சார். ஓகே சார், ஓகே சார், வில் டூ குவிக்லி. சிறுதுளி பெருவெள்ளம். ஸோ எங்ககிட்ட இருக்கிற நாப்கின்ஸ் அதெல்லாம் வந்து எடுத்துட்டு போயிட்டு ஓல்டேஜ் ஹோம்ல கொடுத்தோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லைட். மகிழ்வித்து மகிழ். ஸோ எங்ககிட்ட இருக்கிற கிளாத்ஸ் எல்லாமே வந்து நரிக்குறவர் கம்யூனிட்டி வந்து வாழ்றாங்க ஒரு இடத்துல. ஸோ அவங்களுக்கு எடுத்துட்டு போய் கொடுத்து டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட் பண்ணோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லைட். விதைப்போம் விந்தை செய்வோம். ஸோ எங்க வீட்டில் நம்ம வீட்டில் இருக்கிற சின்ன சின்ன தானியங்கள் அதெல்லாம் வச்சு பிளான்ஸ் எப்படி வளர்க்கலாம், அதனால கிடைக்கிற அந்த பிளான்ஸை சாப்பிட்டு நம்ம எப்படி வாழ முடியும் அப்படின்னு நாங்கள் எங்களோட கிளப்குள்ள நாங்கள் கற்றுக்கிட்டோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் லைட். இன்டர்நேஷனல் சர்வீஸ். So bridging foundation, so with the Rotary Club of Multan Changemakers, which is in Pakistan, so we celebrated இண்டிபெண்டன்ஸ் டே. ஸோ லைக் நம்மளோட இண்டிபெண்டன்ஸ் டே அண்ட் ஆல்சோ அவங்களோட இண்டிபெண்டன்ஸ் டே ரெண்டுமே வந்து 2 நாட்களை செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லைட். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லைட் ப்ளீஸ். சந்திப்போமா. ஸோ ஃப்ரம் ரெட் கிளப் ஆஃப் மோனாக்ஸ் ஐஎம் ஃப்ரம் RID 3201. ஸோ அவங்க கிளப்ல இருந்து ஒரு பர்சன் வந்து சென்னை விசிட் பண்ணியிருந்தாங்க. அவங்களோட கூட அவங்கள வந்து கூட்டிட்டு போய் சென்னை எக்ஸ்ப்ளோர் பண்ண வச்சு ஒரு கிளப் சர்வீஸ் என்ஜாய் பண்ணோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லைட்.
ஹலோ புர்னா கன்க்ளூட் இட் நோ.
நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லைட் ப்ளீஸ்.
ஹலோ புர்னா மூர்த்தி சார்.
சொல்லுங்க.
கொஞ்சம் கன்க்ளூட் பண்ண சொல்லுங்களேன். டைம் இஸ் கோயிங் ஆன்.
இல்ல ஒரு ஹோஸ்ட் இது பண்ணிடலாமே. ஹோஸ்ட்
ஓகே ஓகே
க்ளோஸ் இட்.
ஓகே 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 சார். ஓகே நெக்ஸ்ட்.
Yes. Next slide, please. Online, it would be good, right? Is it enough, sir?
Enough, Purna. Purna, enough.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot for the opportunity.
Thank you, Purna. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Yeah, thank you. ராஜேந்திரன் அது க்ளோஸ் பண்ணுங்க. ராஜேந்திரன்
ஷேரிங் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணியாச்சே சார்.
இல்ல அந்த போட்டோ இப்பதான் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. Okay, thank you Rotaractor Purnachandrika for your detailed report. Now next introduction of our incoming president by Annette Rajeshri, daughter of Rotarian Duraivel.
Good evening to everyone. Rotarian Duraivel born to Thiru KP Venugopal and Tirumadi V Dhanalakshmi in the year 1975, studied in La Chatelaine School and graduated as a BSc Chemistry scholar from Sri Saraswati Tyagaraja College. He now works as a land promoter and developer at Rajavel Constructions. He is married to Mrs. Rajeshwari, who was born in the year 1985. She is a BBA graduate from the DRBCCC Hindu College and currently a housewife. They have 2 daughters. The elder one is D. Rajeshwari, doing her 10th standard, and the younger one doing her 6th standard in Bhavan Sajaji Vidyashram. Thank you.
Okay, next.
Next, caller exchange by outgoing president to incoming president. Exchange of charter by outgoing secretary to incoming secretary. Now acceptance speech by today's hero, Rotarian Duraivel.
Good evening all. Good evening all. அனைவருக்கும் மாலை வணக்கம். It's my pleasure and proud to accept as 8th President of Rotary Club of Chennai Chola. Our club is very vibrant and dynamic club doing various projects and service covering all avenues. I hereby take the pledge to take our club to the next level. became our club customs to implement a new signature project every year. So this year, under my presidency, also, I am planning to execute a signature project, that is Rotary Chola Health Center, with approximate cost of 5 lakhs. The health center will be associated with VT Eye Care Hospital and do minimum 500 free cataract surgeries along with the eye screening and providing lab facilities also. We also plan to set up a vocational training center at Adambakam to support poor and needy people to train in coloring and tailoring and computers. Third project, we plan to set up a rural evening tuition center at Adambakam, in which we appoint one faculty to take evening tuitions to poor and needy government school students. Future this year, we will add minimum 5 members and tier of contributions will be 3,000 USD. I assure that our club will participate in all district events, including this district conference. As usual, every month our club will have minimum 2 speaker meeting, 1 family meet and 1 board meeting. I feel it's my privilege to become the president this year under the leadership of beloved District Governor Rotarian Sridhar Ji. I should thank our District Governor Rotarian Sridhar, who accepted our invitation to be a chief guest of this evening. I thank Assistant Governor Neelakandan, who presented here. I also thank PDGs, all the district officials, my chain makers, co-president, chain makers, secretary, visiting Rotarians, Rotaract, friends and Cholan families. Once again, I thank to everyone who made me 8th president of this club. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Rotarian Doraivel, President. Now, President is going to introduce board members.
The AV clip, sir. Rotary Club of Chennai Chola welcomes you all. Rotarian Shekhar Mehta ji, President. Board. Secretary Rotarian Suresh Babu. Joint Secretary Rotarian T. Suresh. Treasurer Rotarian P. Lokesh. IPP Rotarian A. Thirumalai. Club trainer Rotarian Y. Balakrishna Reddy. President-elect Rotarian GR Venkatesh. President nominee Rotarian K. Harikumar. Director Club Service Rotarian Sainathan. Director Community Service Health Rotarian K. Krishna Kumar. Director Community Service Development Rotarian L. Shivakumar. Director Vocational Service Rotarian D. Pannirselvam. Director Youth Service Rotarian Babu Hari Ramulo. Director Internal Service Rotarian Narsimha Murthy. Director Membership Development Rotarian A. Venkat Reddy. Chairman Literacy Rotarian K. Shankar. Chairman Environment Rotarian SP Ramesh. Chairman Public Relation Rotarian Vijay Lasa. Chairman Wash, Water Sanitation and Hygienic Rotarian N. Ananthan. Chairman Disaster Management Rotarian T. A. Rajesh. Chairman Go Green Rotarian Balaji. Chairman Special Project 1 Rotarian C. K. Gopinath. Chairman Special Project 2, Rotarian Dr. B. Ramesh. Chairman Polio Plus, Rotarian K. Suresh. Chairman the Rotary Foundation, Rotarian V. Dayalan. Chairman Rotary Community Corps, Rotarian D. Harigopal. Chairman Public Image, Rotarian Sundar. Rotarian S. Ratnavelu was Sergeant at Arms. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, President Durayvelu.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, next, Annex Club installation by First Lady of Rotary Club of Chennai Chola. Annette Rajeshri, daughter of Rotarian Durayvel, President. Annette Haritra. Annette Haritra, daughter of Rotarian Suresh Babu, Secretary.
She is not available.
Okay, Annette Jaya Varshita, daughter of Rotarian Dayalan, Vice President.
She also not available there.
Okay, Annette Sukirta Varshini, daughter of Rotarian Lokesh, Treasurer. Okay, thank you. Next. Recognition of visiting PDGs, district officials by our past president Rotarian A. Venkat Reddy.
Yeah, vanakkam. I'm very happy to welcome our PDGs and district officers. First, I welcome PDG ISAK Nazar, PDG Sri Rotarian Srinivasan, PDG Rotarian Babu Peraman, IPDG Rotarian Muthu Palaniyappan, and DGN Rotarian Ravi Raman, and District Secretary Rotarian Ravi Shankar, EAG Rotarian Neelakantan, RS Rotarian Sri Murugan, Membership Chair Rotarian Sarvanan, PRFC Ambulvanan, GML Editor Rotarian Usha Kumar, the AZ Neil, AZ Gunavati, and District Officers Rotarian Rajkumar, Rotarian Dakshayani, Rotarian S.N. Balasubramanian, Rotarian Muthuswamy, and Rotarian Jitendra. Thank you for your time, and we are here to wish us all very best. Thank you very much.
Next, recognition of visiting Rotarians by Rotarian Vijay.
Good evening, all. I use this opportunity to recognize all our visiting Rotarians. So I'm just starting with the current presidents. So Rotarian Satyanarayana from Rotary Club of Valacheri, Rotarian Yelango from Rotary Club of Lake City, Rotarian Mukesh from Rotary Club of Madras Northwest, Rotarian Palani from Rotary Club of Galaxy, Rotarian Ganesh from Rotary Club of Chennai Kings, Rotarian Shandi Rajkumar, Rotarian Ramana from Rotary Club of Heritage, Rotarian Usha from Rotary Club of Utsav, Rotarian Prem from Rotary Club of Celebrities, Rotarian Rajesh from Rotary Club of Kannimara. So now I'm going to recognize other Rotarians. Rotarian Usha Kumar, Rotarian Kumaravel from Rotary Club of Green City, Rotarian Prakash from Rotary Club of Chennai Korattur, Rotarian Sumir Sarpu from Rotary Club of Chennai Nolambur, Rotarian Gopinath, Rotarian Shankar, Rotarian Sri Muruganam, Rotarian Gopal Prasad, Rotarian Subramaniam, Rotarian Shivakumar, Rotarian Vijay, Rotarian AF Khan from Rotary Club of Kannimara, Rotarian Kanchana Khan, Rotarian Sudarshan, Rotarian Saravanan, Rotarian Valliyappan, Rotarian Kannan. Thanks all for coming and gracing this wonderful occasion. Thanks all.
Thank you, Rotarian Vijay. Next, introduction of DG by our Assistant Governor, Rotarian Neelakantan.
Good evening, all of you. I'm very happy to introduce the chief guest of this evening and a good friend of for all of us, District Governor Rotarian J. Sridhar. Over to MC for playing the AV.
Jagannathan Sridhar is a mechanical engineer with a master's in business administration. He is a consummate professional with a brilliant career in the field of automotive cooling systems spanning over 37 years. Sridhar is now the CEO of Magal Engineering Tech Private Limited, a part of Magal Group of Companies of United Kingdom. Auto major Mahindra & Mahindra recognized him with the Accepting No Limits Award in recognition of his leadership for his company in developing new generation products as his company who go out of their way to provide engineering solutions to extremely difficult problems and critical solutions. Like a true Rotarian, he believes in giving back to the society, and that has motivated him to be part of the Amber Hindu Educational Society's College Trust as a trustee in his hometown. His wife Punita holds a master's degree in business economics. She now heads a software company dealing with development and support of IT solutions. They are blessed with two daughters, Vidya, pursuing an IT career in India after her master's in USA, and Nitya, studying law. Sridhar joined Rotary Club of Madras Industrial City in the then RI District 3230 in September of 2000. He became its president in the year 2006-07. His outstanding work during that year won him the Rotary Action Trophy Gold. He also won a special recognition from TRF for being the #1 club in RI District 3230 for the highest per capita contribution for the annual fund. He has served the district and excelled in various capacities as Assistant Governor, Director International Service, GSE Selection Committee Member, District Conference Secretary, District Membership Chairman, Secretary of 2 Presidents-elect training seminars at Bangkok and Singapore, part of the multi-district PETS in Sri Lanka, and the last one as the PETS Chairman at Dubai in 2018. He has also held various assignments in zonal and Rotary International levels. Assistant Secretary, Rotary Institute 2010 at Bangkok, Treasurer, Multi-District PETS 2015 at Sri Lanka, Training Facilitation Team, Rotary Dubai 2015 at Dubai, Co-Chair, Venue Management, Rotary South Asia Literacy Summit 2017 at Chennai. He's a major donor level 2 with contributions exceeding $34,000 and also a benefactor to the Rotary Foundation. All his family members are Paul Harris Fellows. An active member of the Automotive Components Manufacturers Association of India, Sridhar is the zonal chairman of ACMA for Chennai and nearby. Sridhar, in close association with the Greater Chennai Corporation, focuses on projects that will have a lasting impact on Chennai and its inhabitants. Ladies and gentlemen, I have great pleasure in introducing Rotarian J. Sridhar, District Governor 2021-22 of Rotary International District 3232.
Thank you for excellent introduction. Now we are going to listen to the address by our beloved DG Rotarian J. Sridhar.
Yeah, thank you very much for the nice words of introduction. It has been quite boring for me for the last 1.5 months to hear about myself, and I'm sure at least about 50% of the people who are here will have the same problem of boring. I need to do a quick change on that. Thank you very much for bearing with my introduction. Changemaker President V. Duraivel, Changemaker Secretary Suresh Babu, President-elect Rotarian G.R. Venkatesh, President nominee Rotarian Hari Kumar, Assistant Governors to this club, SAP Neelakantan, Regional Secretary Sri Murugan, immediate past President and good friend of mine, Tirumalai, immediate past Secretary K. Shankar, DG Dr. Nandakumar, DGN Ravi Raman, past district governors, District Secretary Ravi Shankar, District Membership Chair Saravanan, District Foundation Chairman Ambalawanan, District Chairman Muthuswamy Rajshekhar, and Dr. Ravi, Changemaker President, Changemaker Assistant Governor, Changemaker District Officials, family of Chennai Chola. It's a great pleasure for me to be here on the installation of the Changemaker President Doraivel for the year 21-22. And this is one club which I always like for the type of projects what you do, and you're a friendly camaraderie approach with everyone. And you have done a great job in the year passed by immediate past President Thirumalai and immediate past Secretary Shankar has put in their best efforts to bring in fantastic activities in your club, which held all your members together, had a great fellowship and club service programs. Of course, the community service and community health project, which has been a highlight of the year. I mean, I think you have done the best what one could be thinking to do in a pandemic year like last year. And you have done extremely well, well beyond the imagination of anyone. It's something like coming to 42 projects in health, 16 projects, number of board meetings, new members 5. I mean, it's everything has been done in the best possible way. On in-person meetings, weekly meeting 19, board meeting 12, Zoom meetings 10. Almost 2/3 of the meetings you had in Zoom and 1/3 probably or 40% you had in the year in person. Congratulations, Thirumalai, for doing a great job. You have really made all of you proud. You made Rotary World proud of our own Rotarians in this world, and the communities are, literally thanking you in a big way. So am I as a Rotarian. I would like to thank you and Shankar for taking the leadership and leading the club in the most difficult time of the mankind. Congratulations to both of you. Thank you very much. And I would like to congratulate Protractor Purna at the current year group representative for the Rotract. Purna, you are more than a Rotary club. Probably that is why Barry Rasin in 2019 said Rotract need to be empowered. You are an empowered Rotract club of Sahas. You have done a great job. I can tell you, Rotary Club of Chennai Chola is really proud of you. I am really proud of a Rotractor because I'm very fond of them. You have done a great job. All your projects, everything is the top class. There is nothing. You have reported in the best possible way. One of the fantastic Rotract Club report what I have seen. Congratulations to you and the club which has supported you whole year and encouraged you to do all this. Chennai Chola, kudos to Chennai Chola and Chennai Rotract Club of Sahas for doing this great job last year. Congratulations. Changemaker President Doraivel has already done a great job on planning. It's all done. I mean, the last, say it's 28th day today, the way in which he's talking about the 500 cataract surgeries and vocational service centers and evening tuition programs and membership increased by another 5, which probably you need to rethink that. I'll come back to you after a month or so. I'll allow him to settle down. And you have got a great team around you. And the club trainer and Y. Balakrishna Reddy is not going to leave any stones unturned to achieve what you have planned it. You only know what you have planned. Please do not do anything for the sake of the district governor in the district. You and your club should be convinced about what you are trying to do. And the district job as a governor, I have to support you whatever you want to do. At the same time, you know that there are certain focus areas this year in Rotary International. Every Rotary club around the world has been asked to concentrate. Around 540 districts have been asked to concentrate on that with their Rotary clubs. In that, the number one would be the empowerment of girls in our society, women empowerment. And you already started working on the vocational service training center, probably on tailoring. I'm sure you are going to get women only. Very well, you have started the year with the empowerment of the girls in a great way. I would request you to kindly concentrate on the initiative, what the civic body, Greater Chennai Corporation is looking from us. Greater Chennai Corporation is looking for health centers, which you already plan to have, Rotary Chola Health Center. I will give my fullest support for that, whatever you want me to do. And you will have definitely a great health center to come out of your Rotary Club in this year 21-22, in the Changemakers year. I will support you on that. And again, if you have already decided to go in for the tuition center for the literacy programs, And this new tuition center, please concentrate more on the school dropouts. How can we get them back into the schools? So you will definitely do a great work on that. The membership chair, Venkata Reddy, is known for his achievement, and I cannot ask him anything to do new, because Venkata Reddy is not something new to Rotary, and Rotary is not new to him as well. Because the planned projects in every area can be done only when you have a great membership base. And great membership base, you already have 52 last year, and you're planning to do another 5. My request to you is please add members, women members in this club, number 1, and members with 40 years less than that as a number 2. These are the 2 focus areas with respect to membership. I'm not saying that Venkata Reddy or Doravel is old. No. When we are going to get new members, younger generation, they will definitely be a big inspiration for all of us because they think differently. You have seen how the Purna and team has done in the road track. The people who have completed, the Rotaractors who have completed their studies, try to bring them into your club and enroll them as Rotarians. They are the people, the youngsters are the one which is going to bring you a great future for our organization as Rotary International. And I'm sure you are going to concentrate on membership in a big way, because once you have the membership, you can do more and then you can grow more automatically. And I'm sure the public image chair, Sundar, is going to really concentrate in projecting all the projects, what you have done in your club this year, and then to the whole Rotary world, it is going to be known with that. My only one more request is, there is a facility in the on the website. You can go to the projects shelf and you can keep posting all your projects into the Rotary website, and thereby the rest of the world will definitely see the unique projects what Rotary Chennai Chola is doing. And your Rotary Health Center and the Occasional Service Center is going to be a model project for this district in the years to come. And I'm sure the TRO chair with Alan is not going to leave anything. And I also heard the president said $3,000 in which account, I don't know. So the balance accounts, I need to talk to all of you. Maybe when I meet you all in person in the next 1 or 2 months, we will definitely discuss on that. And I would like to give my congratulations to ANET Club President Rajshri and ANET Haritra, the Secretary of the ANET Club, for taking up the responsibilities along with the parents. The whole family is going to be busy in Rotary. Probably there's one other way we can look at it, because always the Rotary families which are going to give a great support to the Rotary clubs, not just one individual. It is difficult. One individual can support one club, or only the Rotarians can support. So the ANs and ANETs and the Rotarians of this club are going to be the real encouraged set up Rotary families who are going to take all the projects through in this year. And one more thing I would like to request you is, please concentrate all your projects wherever it's possible for women. We are going to send you by this month end a possible projects on women empowerment. You will have the complete list. I did not want to push every club during this time in this month, because I allowed every club to settle themselves during this installation month. And then by July, August, first week, you can start your work. So you will have it by 1st of August, a list of projects, what you can look at on these areas. If anything is, you think that it is okay for you, depending upon your passion and your interest in that area, please take it up. Water is one area which I have not heard anything in the last year, and this year also, I would like you to concentrate more on at least one project in each, in the environment, the greenery side, and the water management to improve the water situation in our city. I wish Rotary Chennai Chola all the best, and President Doravel all the best. You have a great Rotary year, and the whole district team, including the district governor, is at your call. And anytime you can tell us whatever the support you need, we will give our expertise, whatever we have got in our team, we will do it. In case you are doing a great job, I will not hesitate, and I will learn from you, and I will take it to the other clubs. So I'm only saying that Rotary Chennai Chola has been a front runner in doing many great things in the past. Fellowship programs, I have attended few. It's unparalleled. There is nothing we can do anything go exactly like Chola. You have been a front runner in many things. So you will be a torchbearer for the Rotary District 3232 in your own way, in executing all your projects and programs and the activities, and especially keep holding the members together, and then you will do a great job, I'm sure. I wish you all the best, and let us hope that soon we are going to meet in person, so that we'll have a great fellowship and friendship extended with our local communities. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, DG.
Thank you, DG.
Thank you, DG, for your nice words. Rotary Club of Chennai Chola assure you that we follow your suggestions, ideas, and advice. Next, project highlights by Dr. Ramesh.
Thank you, Narasimhamurthy. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello. Good evening. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, doctor.
Yes, sir. You can proceed.
Good evening, everyone, and special congratulations to our new elect president. And then I'm just going to read out the highlights of the projects of 2021 and 2022. We are happy to announce this year our club is planned to execute the following major signature projects, of which the number one will be Chola Health Center. Our club is planning to set up a health center in association with VT Eye Care Hospital at Mijur. In that, we are going to achieve around 1,000 surgeries of free cataract surgeries in Mijur and Chennai inner area. And then in the health center, we are going to have a eye screening and a clinical laboratory center, which is approximately the cost will be around 5 lakhs. And then second project is going to be a Chola Vocational Training Center. We are going to set up at near Adambakam, which includes tailoring and computer classes. And then when you talk about the literacy tuition center, we are planning to organize tuition center near Adambakam, and it will take a good faculty, and it will be benefited for about 20 poor students in that. And then already we have been with Rotary Club of Chennai Chola District 3232 has been partnered with SEED, an US-based NGO, to support fundraise for the financial aid screened by them to study various disciplines like arts and science, engineering and medicine courses, and to mentor the award as a signature project under the literacy. Thank you.
Murthy garu, you continue.
Yes.
Next, doctor has finished. You can continue.
Okay, now our President Rotarian Duraivel is donating rupees 10,000 to student Hariharan, 7th standard student. Thank you. PDGs are welcome to give their felicitations.
PDGs பொதுவா சொன்னா மூர்த்தி.
PDG, you are our advisor, philosopher, guide, everything. We cannot forget the role of your vital role.
Thank you, Murthy. Congratulations to President Duraivel and Secretary Suresh for adorning the leadership of Chennai Chola this year. Duraivel ரொம்ப பிரமாதமா அந்த projects lined upலாம் சூப்பரா இருக்கு. Particularly the medical center, which you are planning to have it in Mijur, and if it comes to functional and it is going to stay as a permanent project of Chennai Chola. Right from Charter President Balakrishna Reddy irundhu ella president oda work pannirken, particularly IPP Thirumalai. From the days of his secretaryship, we have been very close. He is a close bosom friend, and he has done an excellent job as president, T20 president, with our T20 governor Muthupalniyappan. And you have also participated in the Orange projects as all the clubs in District 3232. And I want to congratulate Thirumalai and particularly Secretary Shankar. Very silent but extremely effective secretary. Shankar, all the very best. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு காம்பினேஷன் திருமலை and சங்கர்ங்கிறது it's a very very effective combination which is going to be proved again with Duraivel and Suresh. And இந்த மாதிரி secretary president secretary combination நல்லா அமைஞ்சாலே வந்து it's a good beginning. And Chola has always been very fortunate to have good presidents and the combination of good secretaries. And all past presidents are there to support you, from Balakrishna Reddy to Ramesh to my friend Golu Gopal and many people. And I've been only wish that we would have a physical meeting. நான் 4 நாளைக்கு முன்னால திருமலை பேசும்போது கூட சொன்னார், இல்ல சார் நிறைய இழப்புகளை சந்திச்சிருச்சு சோழா அப்படின்னார். உண்மையிலே வந்து கருணாகரனும் முருகனும் வந்து இழந்தது வந்து உண்மையிலே இட்ஸ் a very very big shock, not only to Chennai Chola, to all of us, because they have been very very good friends. So இந்த மாதிரி சூழ்நிலையில ஜூம் மீட்டிங் வைக்கிறது தான் கரெக்ட் அப்படின்னு திருமலை சொன்னாரு. I also vouch the fact, and my best wishes to all of you. And Chennai Chola, like any Rotary year, will continue to function extremely well this year under the leadership of Duraivel, with Secretary Suresh Babu, with the trainer, our right of president Balakrishna Reddy. BK Reddy இருக்காருன்னு தேடி பார்க்கல நானு, but anyway I think he should be there. BK Reddy, with all the past presidents, you will be doing very well, and we are available anytime you need us. Thank you, Murthy Garu, for inviting me, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, PDG, for your nice words. Now I am.
Thank you. Sorry to interrupt. And my friend Venkat Reddy, அவர் வந்து இங்கிலீஷ், தமிழ், தெலுங்கு எல்லாம் சேர்ந்து ஒரு மொழியில பேசுற என்னுடைய அருமை நண்பர் Venkat Reddy has been a very outstanding president. Venkat, thank you, Venkat. Sorry, I didn't see. Sorry, all the very best, Venkat. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, PDG Rotarian Nasser. Now I invite our immediate PDG Rotarian Muthu Palniyappan.
Thank you, Murthy, for inviting me. Coming to Chola is always a pleasurable experience. The Zoom in-person meeting, the friendly approach, hospitality, அதெல்லாம் வந்து we are missing now. But இருந்தாலும் உங்களுடைய emotional connect இங்க இருக்குன்னு தான் சொல்லணும். அந்த அளவுக்கு all your past presidents, all your members have been very friendly with the district team all along. பெரிய uniqueness of this club வந்து leadership has evolved. 8 yearsல பாத்தீங்கன்னா all the past presidents are active. அது மட்டும் இல்ல, president and secretary நாசர் சார் சொன்ன மாதிரி they have been working in tandem year after year. அது மட்டும் இல்ல, president elect, president nominee, everybody is in place. This shows that your club is in the very right track னு சொல்லலாம். pandemic era இருந்தா எந்த இயரா இருந்தாலும் மேனேஜ் பண்ணக்கூடிய கெபாசிட்டி உங்க கிளப்புக்கு இருக்கு. No wonder Thirumalai has given such wonderful year 2021, which all our T20 presidents will vouch for it. He not only took care of the club, but among the T20 presidents, he was a person who is always wanted for anything. Secretary இருக்கும்போது அதே மாதிரி ரோல் ப்ளே பண்ணாரு. Presently, he is doing that. In fact, he went to the extent of getting all the T20 presidents together and then putting up 2 hybrid vision centers. T20 presidents named 2 hybrid vision center at 2 important locations in the city, so that all the T20 presidents can have that cherished for lifelong. He was instrumental. So I should thank Thirumalai for taking that leadership at the club level and at the district level.
Thank you.
Equally, I also see the incoming president, or the president who has taken up charge today, Duraivel, very serious, focused, committed Rotarian. அவர் வந்து அவரோட ப்ராஜெக்ட் அழகா அனௌன்ஸ் பண்ணாரு. அதுல வந்து கரெக்டா ஒரு பிளானிங் இருக்கு. ஒரு பெர்மனன்ட் ப்ராஜெக்ட், கண்டினியூஷன் ஆஃப் ஆல் தி சிக்னேச்சர் ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ், அண்ட் தென் ஆடிங் வேல்யூ டு தி எக்ஸிஸ்டிங் ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸ். இது எல்லாமே அவரோட இதுல இருக்கும்போது that is what is required by a leader in a club like Chola. I think leadership in the hands of Duraivel and Secretary Suresh is going to really bring out something unique in the year 21-22 under the guidance of our good friend District Governor Sridhar. Sridharam Bada avanga club paaraatnaru. And the most important thing what I noticed is your Rotaract club, the emergence of the youth leadership at the Rotaract level, guided by your club. எல்லாத்துலயும் நீங்களும் பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க, உங்க ப்ரோக்ராம்ல அவங்களை கைட் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. That is what is required from a Rotary to support Rotaractors. The youngsters are going to be the force for Rotary. Please continue that. That Rotaract club is to be watched. They are doing such wonderful work. And the presentation given by that girl is really amazing, even though it went for a longer duration, but each and every slide was prepared so meticulously. I really enjoyed seeing that. And today installation has been very well done. Congratulations to the team. I should also appreciate Shankar, Sonamari Thirumalai and Shankar combination. We have been watching. And thank you, Shankar.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chola, past presidents and members. Thank you.
Thank you, IPDG, Rotarian Muthu Palniyappan. And any PDG ready to talk, you can. You are welcome. Thirumalai, anybody else?
Next in agenda, you can carry on.
Okay. Last but not the least, our Secretary Rotarian Suresh Babu is going to tell vote of thanks.
Good evening. A very happy evening to all of you present here. Everything that begins should come to an end at one point of time. At the end point, it is a pleasure to thank all of you for gracing this occasion. On behalf of our Rotary Club of Chennai Chola, it's given me an immense pleasure to deliver vote of thanks to this august gathering in this evening. I acceptably thank our today chief guest, our beloved change maker, DG Rotarian, Caesar G, and District First Lady, Mrs. Punita Sridhar, for gracing the occasion and delivering the inspiration speech. I take immense pleasure in extending my sincere thanks to all. First, it participated Isaac Tazar, PDG, T20 Governor, Muthu Palniyappan, District Secretary, Rotarian Ravi Shankar, Assistant Governor, Rotarian Neelakandan, and all other district office officials who are all here to bless us this evening. I extend my heartfelt thanks to all district Rotarians, co-presidents, co-secretaries for their love and affection on us. My sincere thanks to one and all who have helped the installation function successfully, and special thanks to our MC, Rotarian MV Narasimha Murthy. I also thank our Zoom platform felicitator, Rotarian Rajendran, for the efforts he took for the smooth running of this online meeting. Last but not the least, I should not forget to thank our own club members, aunts and aunts and Rotaractor. Thank you very much, one and all. Nandri.
Thank you, Rotarian Suresh Babu, and wish you all the best for this year. And now it is time for national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना उत्कल जलधि गंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Jai Hind.
Suresh will adjourn the meeting. Duraivel.
Meeting is adjourned.
Thank you, Duraivel.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank you, sir. Thank you, DG, sir. நன்றி வணக்கம்.
துரைவேல்,
Thank you, Ravi, sir.
I wish you the very best. நல்லபடியா பண்ணுங்க நீங்களும் சுரேஷும் சேர்ந்து.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Take the club to the next level.
Okay, sir, with all your supports.
110%. Thirumalai and Suresh, Shankar, you've done an excellent job.
Thank you, Ravi.
And help the current president. All the best.
Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, Thirumalai.
Thank you.
And best wishes.
Congratulations, Thirumalai.
Same time. Best wishes.
Recording close பண்ணலாம். ராஜேந்திரன் sir.